In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. When you're ready, go into Tap menu. Now tap on this tiny pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and look for Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your currently used ones. Then let go and click on this arrow at the top left corner. Now click on your shortcut. And as you can see, mine turned yellow. That means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!